we should ignore it. What is the 7-lettered word? Most hard-working 7-letter word? Most hard-working 7-letter word? Haji? You're right. The most hard-working 7-letter word is success, nahi? और सक्सेस मिलाने के लिए, to get success, tremendous hard work is needed, tremendous determination is needed, tremendous patience is needed, tremendous knowledge is needed. और आजकल के लड़कों को तो वो knowledge भी नहीं होता है. एक स्कूल में एक टीचर ने, हिस्ट्री टीचर ने एक लड़के से पूछा, बेटा in which battle did Tipu Sultan die? The guy said in his last battle. Idiot. उसको पूछा, where it was the Declaration of Independence side? At the bottom of the page. When was Gandhiji born? On his birthday. In which state does Ganga flow? Liquid state. You know. If you have 6 mangoes and you have to distribute among 20 people, how will you do it? I'll make mango milkshake. और सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा देगा बोल रहा है. और लास्ट पूछा, ज्योग्राफी टीचर ने पूछा, बताओ बेटा, भारत में सबसे ज्यादा बर्फ किधर करती है? बोलता है दारू के ग्लास में गिरती है सबसे ज्यादा. Success, you need to have a lot of patience, and we will fail. When you want to achieve success in your career, in your academics, in your business, in your profession, we will fail. And that's the example of the giraffe. The giraffe, when the baby giraffe is born, falls from such a high distance straight on the ground, and as the mother comes and positions the giraffe, positions herself right above the baby giraffe. And guess what she does first? Gives it a hard kick. बच्चे का जन्म होता है और माँ आके खाट से लात मारती है. तो बच्चा समझता नहीं, अभी तो आया है जिंदगी में, मतलब लात मारे, कौन लात मारा? लात का मतलब क्या है मालूम नहीं उसको. अचानक एक झटका मिलता है उसको. So as it's just coming out of that impact, झटका, the mother gives a bad second harder kick. Now the guy understands. अगर मैं कुछ किया नहीं तो ये चलता रहेगा सिलसिला. So this baby giraffe starts getting up on its wobbly legs, you know, on its wobbly legs. And as the baby giraffe gets up on the wobbly leg, थोड़ा खड़ा होकर, खड़ा होना सीखा ना, फैड एक और लात मारती है माँ. फिर गिर के he gets up and starts running. And then the mother giraffe goes, hugs the baby and starts kissing the baby. You know why? Because the baby giraffe's flesh is very soft and supple, and hyenas and lions love it. The mother knows that I can't be with the baby giraffe all the time. I have to go and get food for the baby. How would I protect it? इसलिए पहले ही एक ऐसी लात मारो कि ये उठना सीखे. और फिर जैसे थोड़ा उठा ना, तो एक और लात मारो तो याद रहे और फिर उठना सीखे. जिंदगी भी माँ मदर जिराफ जैसी है. कई बार लात मारती है. We fail. We should get up. And we'll fail again. We should get up. And like I always say, don't just go through life. Grow through life. And when we learn to practice Krishna consciousness, we will definitely grow through life. And may I ask you to watch this little video on very interesting one again. This was a very successful experiment conducted in the United States of America in the early 60s, where they had students, kindergarten students, with if you don't know what a marshmallow is, it's a sweet. Most people in India don't have much idea of what a marshmallow is, but in the world outside, marshmallow is like for kids means like हमारा होता है ना candy floss or kulfi. That is like marshmallow. Kids are crazy after marshmallow in the West. So they kept this marshmallow and told them, if you wait, you get a second one. You can eat it, but then you don't get the second one. Those students who waited were successful directors of multinational companies today. Those students who didn't wait, they're like mediocre employees in most places today. And this is a very popular research called marshmallow research, where they found people who have patience to wait achieve success. It's not just determination in failures, but one has to be patient to endure and endeavor. Then one can be successful in life. But I must tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. The best part of the story is after achieving it all, still there is no happiness. Nahi? सक्सेस मिलके पैसा आया, घर आया, सब कुछ नहीं मिलता उसमें से, है ना? एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज, worst part of the story, my first flight to London, British Airways, BA197. I go to the airport. My friend, His Grace Radha Vallabh Prabhu, made first class aloo parathas for me for my lunch pack because I don't eat the flight food. And he made a bottle of mango milkshake, 1 liter. And he put it in that steel bottles you get these days. And I carried that little bag and went through the X-ray machine security, put it through the security. The other side it came. The parathas went through the bottle. The security guy said, "You can't take this, sir." I said, "Why?" So this is liquid. I said, "This is not liquid. This is sublime." This is mango milkshake. This is liquid for us. You're only allowed 100 ml. You can't take 1 liter fluid liquids on the plane. I said, "Sir, this is mango milkshake. You can't do this." He said, "I don't understand anything." Now, as he heard that it is mango milkshake, he had expectation on his face. Steel का bottle भी मिलेगा, mango milkshake भी मिलेगा. मैं बोला, इसको तो मैं नहीं दूंगा. बाहर जाके भिखारी को दूंगा, लेकिन इसको नहीं दूंगा. So I went to look for a beggar. अच्छा, भिखारी किधर मिलेगा उधर एयरपोर्ट पे? फिर भी एक मिला. And then I said, "भाई, mango milkshake पिएगा?" So he had expression on his face. किसी ने उसको ऐसा सवाल पूछा ही नहीं जिंदगी में. So I said, खराब नहीं है, अच्छा है. I took 2 drops and said, ले लो. He said, bottle नहीं है प्रभु. So then I purchased the Bisleri bottle, emptied the bottle, transferred the contents, gave it back, came back to the X-ray machine, put it through the machine, it went through, and the guy was frustrated that I didn't get the mango milkshake. As I got on to BA197, I pulled my laptop out, and the first line I typed on a Microsoft Word file was, "When you take a flight off, you must know what you can carry along. If you don't, at the X-ray machine, things will be left behind." When the flight of life takes off, na, end में, वो यमराज के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड उधर खड़े हैं, एक्सरे मशीन में. "कल खरीदा मैंने कार." Not allowed on board, sir. Sorry. "अरे मेरी सुंदर पत्नी." Not allowed on board, sir. Sorry. When you take a flight, you know what you can take along and what you cannot. And therefore, when life ends, we must know what will go with us and what will not. Therefore, what is success? Iha and para. Success in this world is achieve, earn, gain, and serve, and chant. And what is success in that life? As the flight takes off and nothing of this world can be taken away, the chanting of the holy names of Krishna, the devotional service that we have rendered to Krishna will go with us. And YMC, Yamraj Municipal Corporation, कुछ नहीं कर सकता आपको security guard, you know. And therefore, last 3 words remaining.